Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of spy gadgets with a classic project. The DIY Periscope. This ingenious device lets you see over walls and around corners, just like a secret agent. And the best part? It's super easy to make with materials you probably already have at home. So, what exactly is a periscope? Well, it's a simple optical instrument that uses mirrors to redirect your line of sight. This allows you to view objects that are otherwise hidden from your direct view. Periscopes have been used for centuries, from military applications to simple childhood toys. Now, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a long cardboard tube, or if you prefer something a bit more durable, a PVC pipe will work great too. The length of the tube will determine how far you can see over an obstacle. Next, you'll need two small, flat mirrors. These should be rectangular or square, and relatively small, as they need to fit inside the tube. You'll also need some tape, strong enough to secure the mirrors. And optionally, some paint or decorative materials to personalize your periscope. Alright, let's get building. First, make sure your cardboard tube or PVC pipe is clean and dry. This ensures that the tape will stick properly. Now, take one of your mirrors and carefully position it inside the tube at one end. The mirror should be angled at a 45-degree angle. This is crucial for reflecting the light. Tape the mirror securely in place. Make sure the mirror is facing towards the opening of the tube, so it can capture the light. Next, go to the other end of the tube and repeat the process with your second mirror. Again, position the mirror at a 45-degree angle, but this time, it should be facing the opposite direction of the first mirror. This second mirror will reflect the light back down towards your eye. Secure this mirror with tape as well. Double-check that both mirrors are firmly in place and angled correctly. Now, your periscope is basically complete. You can add some extra touches if you like. Paint the outside of the tube, add some stickers, or decorate it however you like to make it your own secret weapon. To use your periscope, simply hold one end up, over a wall, or around a corner, and look into the other end. You should be able to see what's on the other side, without exposing yourself. Pretty cool, huh? So, there you have it, a DIY periscope. It's a fun and educational project that's perfect for kids and adults alike. It's a great way to learn about the principles of reflection and optics. Plus, it's just plain fun to play with. So grab your supplies, and get ready to do some spying. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and happy building!